there are no surprises. As the last product of the RK3566 Chive Chicken series, RG353M is here. This time the color matching follows the trend, adding a small black and purple color, which is far ahead of the dark leaves of the Apple 14. Compared with the previous generation 353P, there is no ugly bag logo on the front, and it has the same narrow frame as the RG353V. It is also the first open-source handheld machine of the same type to be equipped with a hall rocker, which sounds quite intimidating. So let's see how it plays. These 5 cards plus the first launch discount cost $749. It's so noble. If you like my video, please don't forget to like it. After all, my money didn't come from the strong wind. The overall layout of the handheld console is still a familiar formula. Complete keys. Very advanced headphone jack. Video output port. Volume button, reset button. At first glance, there is nothing new. However, if you compare carefully, there are still some differences. The most obvious thing is, that's it. Bite the cold with an extra anti-slip design. More recognizable. There is an additional function key on the far right at the top. The size and position are just symmetrical to the headphone port. Obsessive-compulsive ecstasy. The bell mouth below adopts 5 side-by-side oval design. More fashionable. Instead of the previous honeycomb port. The interior also uses the speaker inside the mobile phone. Sounds better in theory. It's actually really cool. This time the shoulder buttons return to the same design as the RG300X. The micro motion used. It feels very crisp when pressed. L2R2 is higher. Better press. That's about all the changes in appearance. The screen is still a 3.5-inch 480p IPS screen. The overall impression can only be said to be average. The battery is 3,500 mAh. Main transmission 7.5W charging power. Official propaganda says that the battery life can reach about 7 hours. I'm afraid this is the battery life for only playing GB games. Daily use under open source system. I feel like it's only about 4 hours. This little black paper is really nice. The surface has a matte texture. It feels very comfortable to touch. Thinner and lighter than previous metal machines. The sticker mold weighs about 230 grams. It's okay to hold. It's November now. As soon as I got my hands on Sichuan metal machinery, I already had some hands-on experience. It will only become more uncomfortable when the weather gets colder later. Of course, what I didn't expect was, although the performance of this processor is low, the fever is quite strong. Cooled by metal shell. After playing for a while, the body temperature is very close to human body temperature. It's really just right. But now it's really comfortable to play in this season. But will it be hard in the summer? Made so many RG series handheld consoles. I can feel that every quiet conductive frame is a little different. Of course they are all developing in a better direction. You can rest assured about the feel of RG353M this time. This is a level that most people can accept. Hard or soft, right? But because the chin is gone, the sense of evil is closer to the function keys. The complete Turtles magnifying move will definitely knock it away. This is indeed a grinding method. As for this hall rocker, I think it's just a gimmick. I can't feel any difference between the feel and the ordinary joystick. About drifting. By the way, have you ever encountered joystick drift in open source handheld consoles? playing these retro handheld consoles, I almost always use the arrow keys. If you are playing DTC, I can still understand if I keep using the joystick. The key is that the DC effect of this machine is not good either. Also, these carrier aircraft can be upgraded very quickly. It was replaced with a new one before it was completely broken. I don't think there is any egg oil. Now that there are some changes in the exterior of RG353M. So what changes have occurred internally? Nothing has changed at all. Still using RK3566 processor. Android open source dual system. In order to save everyone's time, just refer to the videos of RG353P and RG353VS for system and performance. This video ends here. Hey! I have already predicted Brother Joe's strategy of cutting leaks. I also deliberately kept a hand. How to play the system in the last video. Sakyamuni's Saturn magic weapon will crash. No detailed testing was done. So let's take a look next. How does the movement of Sakyamuni in Saturn work? Just a reminder. This independent magic weapon has needle picking turned on by default. In my video, needle picking is turned off. This number of stitches is very real. This is already obvious, right? Only people with particularly low performance requirements need to slow down. It won't work if it's a little higher. The performance of G353M. I'm really tired of it. Very suitable for people who only play PS1 and below. Of course, it's not too early to be able to play